Before any lawsuit's filed, we give the other parties, whether it be an insurance company or a corporation, the opportunity to settle the case for what we believe the case is worth. If that does not occur, then we are forced to file the lawsuit, and that's what starts the litigation process. So during the litigation process, that's when you see more of the things you see on TV, such as depositions and going to trial and mediations. All of that stuff doesn't really take place until we've got to a point with the insurance company where we realize they're not playing fair, and it's time for us to do what we do best.
Filing a lawsuit means that we've prepared a legal document known as a complaint. We take the facts of your case and the information that we have, and we put it in this document called a complaint, and we file that with the court. And the court will issue a document called a summons that requires someone to appear. And in this case, they'll issue a summons for the defendant, the person that you have sued who's responsible for your injuries. And so they'll issue the summons, and you will serve the defendant with the lawsuit.
The question we get a lot is, how long is the process going to take? And unfortunately, there is not one size fit all when it comes to litigation. Some cases can resolve it, honestly, as quickly as a day. Some can take up to 10 years. So there's really no one size fits all answer to that. I will say, typically speaking at Morgan & Morgan, you'll know within the first 9 to 10 months on whether your case is going to be settled in pretrial or be one that goes into litigation.
If you file a lawsuit or begin the litigation process, you can still reach a settlement. So simply because the first or second attempt to resolve your case doesn't work, doesn't mean that you won't have every opportunity to try to resolve the case prior to trial. Our priority is getting you a dollar amount in settlement that will fairly and adequately compensate you for your injuries. We have an army of trial lawyers ready to go to trial on your case. And so if during the litigation process, in our attempts to settle the case, if we can't reach a resolution, we stand ready to go to trial and fight for you to get fair and adequate compensation for your case.